welcome to the online classes. Now we have done, in our last class we have done the division on a number line, division by making the sets. Now another form of division we are going to do. So, look at some examples here. See, 3 and 9. 3, 9. Divide 9 by 3. How you have to do? So 9 is to be divided by 3. 9 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. 9 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Then dividend 9 should be written in the division and the divisor 3 should be written outside the division. See here, 3 should be written outside and 9 should be written inside. Okay. Then read the multiplication table of the 3. Then you have to read the 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So now we got 9. Yes, in 3 table we got 9 at 3. 3 threes are 9. Then 3 is the quotient and 9 is the product. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Here this 3 is a quotient. This is the, already I said, this is the divisor. This is the dividend. Then what we got at the end? It is a remainder. Okay, this is the remainder. Then when 3 threes are 9 we got. 3 threes are 9. Then you have to write 9 below 9 and 9 minus 9 is 0. Then 0 is called as a remainder. Look at some more examples down. 4, 8. 4 twos are 8. 5 ones are 5. 2 fours are 8. 3 twos are 6. 7 ones are 7. In this way we have to do the division. In the same way here it is, see, only one digit. It is only one digit and we can do more also. Now you have, see, with one digit you have to divide 2 digits. Here 48. How we have to divide? First you have to take only tens, then you have to go to ones. If both you got, then you can do it both. So here see, 8 table is there. 8 table you have to count. See here, till where, when we get 48, till there you have to count the 8 table. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 2s are 8, 3s are 8, 4s are. So in that way you got 8 6s are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 6s are 48. Then 48 minus 48 is 0. In this way you have to do. And how you have to do the verification whether we have done the correct multiplication or not? There is a formula for that. What? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the formula that you have to remember. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor, quotient into divisor plus remainder. So dividend, what is the dividend? It's the question, 48. And what is the quotient? 6. 6 we got the quotient and divisor is 8. 6 8s are 48 plus remainder. 48 plus 0 is 48 only. So 48. 48, 48 we got, both are equal. So it is a correct. Then in the same way, like if, see here, 4 is a small number, smaller than 8. 4 is smaller than 8, that's why we are counting both at a time, 48. But now see here in this example, 2. 3 is a greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. So in 2 table, the number which is less than 3, that number will come. So we have to take only one digit. So you should not take two digits. If that number is greater, then only you have to take 2 digits. Otherwise you have to take only 1 digit. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Here it is 3. So you have to take the number 3 or the number which is less than 3. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then you have to bring down 8. And now you have, it is 1. So 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. So only 1 is not possible. So you have to take 2 digits. 1, 8, 18. In 2 table when 18 will come? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. In this way you have to. Then 7 ones are 7. 7 7 0 and bring down the next digit. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7 0. Then 5 ones are 5. After 5 6 7 8 3. So write 3 and bring down this 0. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So quotient is 16. In this way you have to do the division. So let us do the problems. Okay. Exercise 7.2. 2 9. 2 9. So count 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 is greater than 9. So 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 1. So 1 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are is 2. So only 1 is there. This is the remainder. And what is the verification? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is the quotient here? 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And this is also 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So our answer is correct. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Divisor is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What is the quotient? Dividend 8. Quotient is 4 into 2 plus 0. 8 is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 0 is 8 only. 8 is equal to 8. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 is the greater number than 5. So 2 2s are 4. Minus 5 minus 4. After 4 5 1. Then dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Then what is the dividend? 5 is equal to quotient 2 into divisor 2 plus remainder 1. So 5 is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 5 equal. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Directly we got 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is 6 is equal to quotient 3 into divisor 2 plus remainder 0. 6 is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 0 6 only. 6 is equal to 6. Okay. In this way we have to do. Then divide the following. Here 6 is divided by. Then count the 6 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Directly we got 6 4s are 24 minus 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. This much only. Then now here 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36 minus 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. Okay, directly we are getting. So rest these 3 you will be completing. Okay. Divide and verify. Okay, now here 4 table. 4 table you have to count. Where you should see whether 33 will come in the 4 table or not. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36. So 36 is greater than 33. So you should not write the you can't deduct the greater number, no. So 4 8 is 32. Small number you have to write. 4 8 is 32. Sorry, I wrote 36. 4 8 is 32. Okay. Then minus 3 minus 2. After 2, 3, 1. Okay, 3 minus 3 is 0. So 1 you got. And here we don't have a place for the verification, children. So just divide and leave it. Okay, because we don't have a place. Here they gave the space for the verification, but here they did not give any space. So just divide and leave. Okay. Then here you have to count 5 table till 42. Okay. If 42 comes, okay. If 42 does not come, then you have to write the number which is less than the 42. Okay. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. 45 is greater than 42. So 5 9s are 45 is greater. So 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 you have to write and put a subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2 only. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Remainder is 2. Okay. Then 8 table. 8 ones are 8. You have to see 66 is coming or the number which is less than 66. Okay, count 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens 8 sevens are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. 8 9s is 72 which is greater than 66. So 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Minus 6 minus 4 is after 4, 5 6. So 2. And 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. In this way you have to do. So rest all you will be completing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this you will be completing. So again the next problem we will do in our next class. That's all for today. Have a good day.